Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in ivory tri-coat white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power folding multi-function mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted shift lever, instrument cluster with off-road display pages, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Jeep Active Safety Group, dual zone automatic temp control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5463.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.